Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Mitsubishi Triton GLX-R dual cab ute, stock reference number 5105. The shape runs from the 7th month 2006 through to the 4th month 2015. It has a 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, a set of Pro Comp Extreme 17-inch alloy mags, left power door mirror, left front door has 5 small dents, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 17-inch Pro Comp alloy mags, holders are set with a good tyre, factory sports bar and tonneau cover, hard lid type. Tailgate has multiple small dents, standard bumper bar, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, right hand tail light, right rear Pro Comp Extreme 17-inch mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 1 small dent, right power door mirror in chrome, right guard with a TJM snorkel and door fittings, and a right front Pro Comp 17-inch alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.